Hello, Henrique. I hope you're doing okay. Thanks for submitting your first draft. Today, I would like to give some comments on your first draft. So, on your title page, number one, do not write literature review. You need to write your specific title of your project. Okay, so make sure that you write it there and then copy paste it and put it on your page two, the first line of page two, and put it in the middle. Okay, now the first paragraph is supposed to be your introduction, right? What I want to see here, at least three sections in your introduction. The first part is going to be your hook. Now you're using a statistics here or striking facts. That's wonderful. That can be one of your one type of hook you're using here. Awesome. Another thing is that the case of from here, if you want to give us some background information. So I like this, but the problem is that there is no in-text citations. Okay, so try to make sure that you put enough citations in your background information part. How many? So one or two citations in order to tell me a little bit more about the history of your topic. And then in the last part, if this is going to be your thesis statement, unfortunately, this is not a strong one because number one, you're using some contractions and informal language. Like it's so easy. So make it more formal, use a more formal language. And then this cannot be your thesis statement because it's better to mention it explicitly in a very direct way. You can say that this literature review will refer to two common problems of, I don't know, related to your topic, 1 and 2, and offer some solutions such as the proper use of social media. And this can be your thesis statement, okay? Now for your body paragraph, again, we need to have a very clear topic sentence for each body paragraph. Let's look at this one. This compulsiveness generates billions in profits for so-called trend because distractions, the more and more by the side. This is not. This can be an explanation sentence. You need a better and very clear topic sentence here. Now, after your topic sentence, you need to explain it a little bit and then give me evidence. And this evidence is coming from real sources. I like to see citations here. I don't want to see your words because there is a difference between this academic work and a normal essay. Okay, so please make sure that, okay, you're going to have at least 2 or 3 citations for each body paragraph. And then in the last part, you need to offer a closing sentence. I want you to follow this for almost all your body paragraphs. The amount of context, the statistics you're using here, all good, but the problem is that I don't see any in-text citations. I taught you a number of different methods you can use, different structures, different verbs, or structures. So try to feel free to use them in your work. Now, the last paragraph is going to be your conclusion. This is not because this is not a subjective form of writing. So if I were you, number one, in the first part of my conclusion, summarize your thesis. In the other parts, you can summarize your body paragraphs. And at the end, you can offer a recommendation or suggestion. And it would be a good idea to add a citation here. Make sure your references should be on the last page of your file, on a separate page, and follow the APA rules properly. There are some issues which are APA formatting. Your page number 1 is almost good, except make sure that there's only 1 line gap between your title and the bio part of your title page. Okay, so thank you very much. Please fix this. The deadline has been extended to tonight, so you can submit your first draft to check the amount of your plagiarism. Good luck with your first draft.